That's a classic ringworm. See, I don't even mind that, because we have two, right? So the only way I care is if they're both trash. That right there again will just, you know, forever prove why flying's so bad. Just my, nah. I was hoping we'd get, oh, the better ringworm. I don't care about pelts. I think Hook's incredible because Hook just hands you a win where you wouldn't have one. Let's get greedy. Oh boy, that's a spicy meatball. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, I'm here for team board clear. What's up, Wiggly? Wiggly, I'm gonna need some of your good ideas today. I would really like bones, if I'm being honest. I'm trying to get that mealworm. Oh, literally just started, so you're here at the very beginning. Can I get two? Two of them? Nice. I was about to say, can we get two 2-1 ringworms? How are you doing today, Wiggly? Always a pleasure. It's gonna push some guys around. I don't love that. I thought he was gonna push. I guess it's next turn. Oh, I'm actually doing well, you know? So, I'm very grateful. That sucks. Do I want my guy to block for me? Eh. Might be getting sick. Don't start work till next week. Okay, cool. Yeah, you're chilling and being sick. Not great, but better than nothing. It's not better than nothing. Sorry, better than having to go in. Okay. I just wanted to see how the rest of my stuff would play out. You got like a head cold, you got the sinuses, what's stomping you? We're pretty evenly split, but I'm gonna go bugs. Nice, that's exactly what I wanted. Sinus thing, gotcha. Yeah, that's exactly the card I wanted, Wiggly. I don't know if you were here. I was earlier basically like, I really would love a mealworm. I think I might end up doing like elk fawn, and then I'll put unkillable in elk fawn. That might be the case. Mealworm would be pretty good too, because it'd be a 2/2, and we can get rid of it. But I don't know. I mean, I don't really need anything more on Mantis Lord because it's got Death Touch, right? So why would you even do more on Mantis Lord? It's Death Touch. So it's a 3-spot clear. The Raven Egg could be good. So you know I normally hate flying, but you beat up with a beefed up Mantis. Yeah, I hear you. I'm a big fan of Mantis God. I'm trying not to put all my cards in one basket. If you watch what happened yesterday, I had one good card and we never drew it, so you lose. Because the way I look at it, if I can just full clear, in 2 turns I always win. 1, 2, 3, and then he'll tank that. That Death Touch sucks. I'm gonna end up putting unkillable in this. Well, I can't because I put Death Touch, but that would be super. Let's do Cockroach because we'll get it back. There's goals in them cards. Doggy. The bird is the word. Give me a black goat. Well, hello. This is interesting. I'm gonna take this. So I really like putting Mantis and stuff, and obviously it's a good 1 cost, but I would rather draw something more valuable. And by putting the birds together, when I'm likely going to hit a mycologist, that's what I'm looking for. I don't really want to keep going for sacrifices. Ant Queen, disgusting. Thanks, I hate it. So as long as this isn't a 1, you know, it's a great card. I value clearing over everything. Good to see you, Will. Will, Dill, and Wiggly. I hate this Ant Queen, so at least we'll have a reason to sacrifice something. I don't want to go to Trapper. We actually have teeth. I was gonna put Cockroach in something, but now I might not. I hate you, Ant Queen. That's very cool. We'll get our first totem. Hopefully we get insect. Okay, appreciate it, Wiggly. My goal is to win before Wiggly gets back. 7 hours later. Okay, Corpse Magus is great. Putting the fawns together could be good. I haven't seen a mycologist yet. Corpse Maggots would basically be okay in Ant Queen, but I'd rather get rid of it. Hey Phantom, welcome. I don't really care for a pack rat. So insects? Please, why? Okay, I'm gonna take bird. Bird in the hand, right? Pop, pop. Nope. I'm doing great, Phantom. Thanks for asking. How did your looking into model kit stuff go for you? Stinky. So we only need one. Oh, I forgot. That's my mistake. Okay. Oh, gotcha. Well. Hey, what's up, Sean? Welcome. You want to do Rocket League later or something? I don't know, how's your D&D going? Okay, so this would make this very good. Do I pay the cheese tax? Are we doing, like, cheesy jokes? Is that the cheese tax? Okay. I'm definitely going to be playing Inscryption for a little bit, so you have time. Just kidding, I'm going to win this in 10 minutes. So flying will go over the shark bait stuff, right? I cannot recall. Every time you cook, you have to pay the cheese tax. Oh no. I'm sorry to hear that. I should have put that somewhere else, but it's fine. We will certainly be okay. I just wanted to hold on to this, but I'll just use it. I have 2 anyway. I don't know why I'm going so crazy about it. I should have put the squirrel down here. That's my mistake. Mealworm. Very cool. Okay, flying goes over bait. Terrific. Thank you guys for the confirmation. Oh, excellent. Wiggly, I was trying to win the game before you came back. Come on, man. I can't be having you show up that quickly. Oh, we're cruising right now. I appreciate you guys. It's great. You're like faster than I could literally Google something, even with an 8-second delay. Oh, corpse maggots. I still don't have any 3 costs. So it'd be cool to get out and clean on corpse maggots, but that's basically it. And then by doing that, we could sack something. And then that's gonna have 4 damage, but I just hate it. I think I hate it. I'd rather fuse the elk fawns and make it bifurcated. Or even just have this raven egg be double up. We do, you know... I think I just fuse things too often. Oh, there's too much shit on you, Wiggly. I got 50 fedoras if you need them. But it's gotta be all 50 or else it's no fucking deal. If I lose this run, if I lose any run, I need the piano man to come out and start throwing plates and stuff. You know, it's okay to cry for this one. We have a lot of insects. We definitely have some damage, but I'm gonna bet on the tanky HP. If we pull 1 mantis, we'd have it, but so let's pretend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 cards here that are only 1. So, doing a little bit of the quick maths. I think it's between these 2. I just kind of hate kin. I feel like it doesn't work out for me often. But we are so ant heavy, it could be very well the case. So. It's that easy. Give me a cat. I mean, that direwolf's alright with me. I think that's the best one here. If we just make some HP on it. I will paint just like the master. I think I might just copy my 1-7. I mean, I see an argument for both of these. But just having 3 death touch clear is really good. If it was a 0 though, it would be trash. It would be very trash if this... So if he paints a 0, this is a misplay. Because this, even if it goes down 1 damage, that's 6 damage, so I'm fine with it. If I fuse these together, that's nuts, but I don't really want to with death touch. So I might do Raven Egg to just win in one turn, but you already win in one turn, basically. So maybe Direwolf? Oh wait, this is copy, sorry. Yeah, I think I might do the 1/7 and the Raven Egg. What's cool about Raven Egg is it's not flying the first turn, you know? So it's just basically a bear for 1 cost. That's 2 attack. So this is clearing and this is damage. So I think I'm gonna bump up the damage. Oh, interesting wolf indeed. So if it's a 3, this is the right play. Oh, it's a 5, so it's cool. I would hate to have a 0 damage death touch. I try to hedge my bets. I'm a very cautious person. Oh, Stinky. You stinky man. So Death Touch is going to do nothing now because we're big stink. I just want to see how this wolf pup works, so I'm just going to bring it out. So, if we can get some HP on it, that's cool. So what I gotta remember is we could get, you know, rid of pelts and stuff, but I just kinda hate it. I don't really like the trapper at all, and we have no choice right here. I think this is usually one of the strongest things you can do, but because we have ringworm, I feel like I have to go fire. How was Mod in Twilight? Did you have a good stream with your friend? We were missing an item, so we could pull this, which could be fine with me. What's this? 5, 10, 15, 18? Okay, so we would have 11. We'd be short of that, which sucks. I think I'm still gonna get it. Can I just leave? Like, I don't want to buy, you know? I don't want it. So the reason I'm taking 2 is just to fuse it, in case it happens. Oh, excellent. Excellent. Well, we might need you, so glad to have you. I'm gonna go this way, try to get one more totem. I really like the fires. Mycologist would be great, but I want the direwolf to be able to survive 1 turn. Where is it? I can't see. Here it is. And then plus it already had 5 HP, right? So it's gonna have 9 or 10 now. Stinky birds. Well, we got lucky with that. Everybody's so smelly. Elkon's not gonna live, which sucks. So I'm gonna do a little controversial play. We're just gonna be, you know, chilling here. I forgot to use my teeth thing. I suck. Yeah, if I'd used my teeth thing, I would have survived. I miscounted it. Well, I'm gonna be honest. I didn't count at all. I didn't miscount. I literally didn't even count. I'm fine with this, just in case. Woodcarver is not really worth to me for just that. We're gonna go this way. Kill this ant queen finally. Alright. Appreciate it, Phantom. Hope you have a good night. I hate you, ant queen. Be gone. Yeah, it's so dumb. Like, the 2 thing is never really that great. but it can save you. You just gotta count. This might just be a personal playstyle thing for me, but I would rather lose the smoke and get to the boss. These guys are gonna hop around, eh? We have a lot of ways to win on turn 1. Oh, very cool. We don't have a mycologist coming up, which sucks. I could use some more HP on this Raven Egg just to keep it alive a turn. The Direwolf really scares me with the 2 double damage, so being able to tank that, let's not even account for totems, right? But being able to tank that will get us somewhere. Interesting idea to put this in something. So this would become a Mantis God. Oh, Eggstone, this Raven Egg? Yeah, but he's a menace. So the problem with this to me is that it's 2 cost. So by putting this, like, by doing the flippy, by doing something like this, I just have a lot of cards that take a turn. And so taking a turn for 2 HP I don't love. So we'd be able to generate bones to get the mealworm out. It's also going to evolve into a Mantis God. So it's 2 damage becomes 3 damage. I think this is probably what I'm leaning towards doing. Putting this in Mantis. Because I just don't think there's something else I'd rather do. We know we're not going to be able to fuse Direwolves in time, because we've already beaten bosses. So I think this is what I'm going to do, just for efficiency. I don't want to lose on turn 1, because I pulled that card. We'll scale up our bones quicker. What up, Trapper? Can't wait to win on turn 1. Bop bop. Fledgling on a possum sometimes. Okay, I appreciate it. Fledgling on a possum. So I get to pull one of these bad boys? Well, this is flying, so it would block my flying. That'll also block my flying. This would block. I could hook something if I had to. I kind of want to pull that bear if I had to. You know, it's pretty mean. Oh, flying doesn't block flying. Then flying is horrible. Who would ever use flying? So flying doesn't block flying? That's crazy. That's, yeah, that's a choice. I just wanted to make sure I didn't, goof it. I got the paranoia. Hopefully you just don't get a card that ruins our deck right here. Oh, absolutely a black goat. It's for our 1 cost deck. Really cool. Great to get that right now. I mean, sure, it helped the Direwolf. That's the only way that helps. But I'd almost rather just sacrifice Possum, you know? Used to know that poem by heart, both in French and English. I got into Hamlet, so I was doing, you know, the to be or not to be. I could embarrass myself and try, but we have 3 items, right? Just making sure. 1, 2, 3. Yep, so we've got all 3 of our items, so we don't care about this. I would love to get something to boost our birds, so this could be good. I don't think I want to put anything in anything right now. Because these raven eggs will either tank for us. Oh, no problem. Yeah, we're cruising. So I think I'm gonna go with this because I'm just gonna try to get a bird totem popping off. I hate that. I hate that. Just get ourselves a little bit stronger. He don't want no smoke. We can just get that out first turn. That's great. 1, 2, 3. We'll hit and we'll get a thing. So if I put this here, he'll move. We'll block that. Doesn't even matter. Generating them bones. Oh, I totally forgot. My bad. That's probably the #1 way I always lose this. I just forget about that. That's like watching somebody die in slow motion in a movie. Oh, I see. The fledgling possum. Good point. Let's pull some stuff. Get shanked. This is probably like the craziest Leshy fight I've ever had, just because I'm misplaying it like a goon. Fledgling on possum. I gotta remember that. You would think by challenge level 6, I would remember that turn 2 you're gonna get prospectored. You would think. Get him 2-1 ringworm. You're the star. Oh boy, all these rabbit pelts. Very cool. Yeah, why doesn't ringworm follow me? That's pretty rude. Well, there you go. Entry number 6. Work on the mod continues. I was appalled to find that Leshy chose to use the Casey Hobbs ghoul skull as a trinket on his shelf. He fills it with teeth for the trapper after every boss. Kinda lame because it's tedious to keep getting up from the table just to collect the teeth. I'll have to hack that out. They'll hate me for it. So we got Wolverine. When Wolverine attacks an opposing creature and it perishes, gains 1 power. So it chews up some people. That seems good. Oh, great. A bird deck. Sorry, a submerged bird deck. Limited to 1 life? That will be hard for me.